Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English with Us, the place where learning English is simple, natural, and enjoyable. I'm Emma.
And I'm Harry. Hello, friends. It's so nice to see you all again.
I'm really happy today, Harry,
I can tell. What's the reason for that big smile?
because today's topic is something everyone needs. Tell me about yourself.
Oh, yes. That's such an important topic. People ask this question everywhere, in interviews, new classes, on the first day of school, or when meeting someone new.
Exactly, and sometimes people get nervous. They don't know where to begin or what to say.
Right. But don't worry. In today's episode, we'll show you how to answer it easily, step by step, with real examples.
So make sure you stay till the end. And before we start, don't forget to subscribe, click like, and share this video with your friends who are learning English.
Yes, that really helps our channel grow and helps more learners like you.
Okay, Harry, let's get started. So tell me about yourself.
Oh, you're starting with me. Okay, my name is Harry, Harry.
Nice to meet you, Harry.
Nice to meet you too, Emma, even though we already know each other.
True, but that's a good example for our viewers. When you introduce yourself, always start with your name and a friendly greeting.
Exactly. For example, hi, my name is Harry. Nice to meet you. Simple and polite.
Now, let's move to the next part. Where are you from?
I'm from New Zealand, a country full of beautiful nature, mountains, and sheep.
Oh, wow, I'd love to visit one day. I'm from England, from a small city near London.
So you're used to big crowds and busy streets.
Yes, I love the energy of the city. What about you? Do you live in a big city now?
No, I live in a small town by the sea. It's peaceful, and I enjoy the sound of waves every evening.
That sounds so relaxing.
Okay, now tell me, Emma, do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in a small apartment on the 5th floor. It's not very big, but it's bright and cozy.
That's nice. I live in a house with a small garden. I grow a few plants there, tomatoes and mint.
Oh, that's so cool. You're a plant person.
I try to be.
Okay, next question. How old are you, Harry?
I'm 29 years old.
Oh, same age group. I'm 26.
Oh, nice. Young and full of energy.
Of course. Now tell me, what do you do?
I'm an English teacher, and I teach online and in person. I enjoy helping students feel confident when they speak.
That's great. I'm a graphic designer, and I'm also studying media communication. I love working with colors and creativity.
A creative designer and a teacher. Great combo.
So, let's talk about family. Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one younger brother. His name is Ben. He's studying computer science.
That's nice. I have two sisters. The older one is a doctor, and the younger one is still in school.
A doctor in the family. Impressive. What about your parents?
My mom is a teacher, and my dad runs a small bakery. The house always smells like fresh bread.
That sounds delicious. My mom is a nurse, and my dad is a carpenter. He loves building furniture by hand.
Now, one of my favorite topics, pets. Do you have one?
Yes, I have a dog named Buddy. He's a golden retriever, super friendly.
Oh, that's adorable. I have a parrot named Milo. He loves talking and even says, "Good morning, Emma," every day.
That's amazing. You must never feel lonely.